Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the sound recognition feature built inside of iOS on your iPhone or iPad. This is a hidden feature that you may not even realize was available and could come in handy in a few situations. To get started, open Settings. Inside of here, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the Hearing section and choose Sound Recognition. Tap the slider to enable the feature. This will then turn on sound recognition, which will allow your mobile device to continuously listen for certain sounds that you tell it to listen for. It does tell you not to rely on this feature for high risk or emergency situations though. Another thing to note, when sound recognition is enabled, the Hey Siri feature will be unavailable, something to be aware of. Tap Sounds, and then in this section, choose the sounds that you want your device to listen for. For this example, I'll choose door knock. Here it'll give you that notification telling you that Hey Siri will be unavailable while sound recognition is enabled. Tap turn on. Now I'll close settings, and if I knock, you'll see that the sound notification alert will appear. And now that sound recognition is enabled, I can quickly turn it on or off by swiping down from the top right corner to access Control Center, find the sound recognition icon, and tap it to turn it on or off. You can also long press on it to enable the quick settings menu where you can enable more sounds. And that's how you turn on and use sound recognition on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.